Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how to download Sora 2 on Android. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you just gotta go ahead and open up your web browser just like this. Once you open it up, you just gotta search up Sora 2 Android and you'll see a few options. So if you wanna download Sora, just go ahead and press on apps over here. It says Sora by OpenAI. If you press on it, right over here, as you can see, it's the app, but it's not available in my country, but it can be available in your country. You just gotta press on the app and download it. But if you don't want the app, you can directly go ahead and open up Sora's official website, which is sora.com, and it's Sora 2. So you just need to open up the website, and yeah, it might take a while depending on your internet speed, so just be patient with it. Once the website is loaded up, so mine isn't just like, yeah, here we go. Now what you need to do is just simply log in and simply create an account if you don't have ChatGPT account. Once you've done that, you can use Sora for free, and yeah, it's like that. You don't even need to download it. So yeah, I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.